You have your cup? Look at you, you're so brave, Kevin. Look at you, so brave. Do you want to water the fish? Yeah! Whoa! Whoa, we're getting really wet. Very good. Cold water, isn't it? Woo, cold water. Oh, are we okay? Are we okay, sweet? Gentle, gentle, gentle. Big splashes of water. Oh, want Mama to get it? Here, do you want Mommy to get it? Gentle, careful, careful.
It's cold.
It's cold. I can get it for you. Why don't we go to a smaller... Here, Oh, you got it? Okay, you can get it. Okay, Mommy will get it. And then why don't you go to a smaller fountain, okay? Let's go to a smaller fountain, okay? Whoa. Here, there you go. Let's go to a smaller fountain after that. I got you some water in there for you. Okay, that's a pretty strong fountain, honey. Yeah. You want to go to the smaller? Here, go to this one, honey. Over here. That one's so strong. There you go. Cool, cool. There you go. I like that one better. There you go. There you go. Very good.